Alright, boys and girls, so welcome to Growing Guitar with Shweek. Alright, so we have a song from NEFFEX, it's called The Rain, and it's you, Jem, who wished for this song. So great, we need to have NEFFEX here on Growing Guitar at the Wish Week, and yeah, at least once. So NEFFEX, The Rain is very welcome. Thank you, Jem, and I hope you will enjoy this, all you NEFFEX fans. Like 2 billions out there, we love him. So let's dive into this song, The Rain. All right, so we're gonna do that without any capo. All right, so with that we have 4 different chords. We're gonna start with the chords and look at the melody parts. So that is how it's gonna go. We'll start with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the G. So that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, we'll come to the strumming later. Now, let's take a look at the melody. So, what I suggest you to do is to hold the mid finger on the 3rd fret B string, and your ring finger or your little pinky, it's up to you, on the 4th fret D string. So 4th D with your ring finger and 3rd B with your mid finger. This is the starting point here for the melody and what you're gonna keep throughout the playing here. So you're just gonna play different bass notes, and that's it. So depending on what chord, so you're gonna change with your index finger. So that is the setup for the melody, and we're gonna look at chord by chord, starting now with C. So you're gonna add with the index finger the 3rd fret A string, okay? That's the C note there. So one melody round and C goes like that. So that will be 3rd fret on A, then 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and then open G. You play it for one round only, and that's it. Okay, the next round is on the A minor. What you do now is just to lift off the 3rd fret A string and get that open. So open A is now the new bass note. Everything else is the same, so that gives us. All right, so open A, 4th D, of course, open G, 3rd B, and open G. Alright, that's the A minor part. The next part is E minor, and it's as simple as A minor. You now go to the open E string in the bass. That is a new bass. Everything else is the same, and that gives us. So it goes open E string, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and back to open G. And the final chord is the G based pattern, and now the bass note will be found on the 3rd fret E string in the bass, and that gives us. So 3rd on E, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open G. So that is the end of melody. So one round, one chord progression round, C, A minor, E minor, and G goes like this. You can continue like this forever, and yeah, that is the melody, and you're gonna play that from the beginning till the very end. It's there, and then you can switch it up with some strumming. And now we'll use the standard chords for it, and if you grab the C chord, that will be like this with the strumming. So down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. All right? So one string around per chord, C, A minor, E minor, G gives us yeah. So there you have it, both the strumming and the melody. That was special for you, Jem. But I think many people out there appreciate that as well. I hope so. NEFFEX fans are all over the world, and I have a couple of you watching tutorials here on Gordon Guitar. Very grateful for that. So thank you guys for all the support you showed me so far. Please continue to like and subscribe to this channel and give me motivation to go on. Thank you so much, and play tuned.